Perfect! Here we are, once again, episode whatever of Red Dead. I don't remember either. Just beat the crap out of Mr. Black.
That was the last thing we did.
Last thing we did. And now we're going to go probably back to town.
I would imagine.
The hub of the West.
Sun's going down, but I bet you it'll be daylight.
Moon's coming up.
There it is.
Alright. Alright, newsboy.
Talk to the newsboy.
What's the news today?
Sheriff Bartlett says we're safer than ever.
Oh, okay.
Safer than ever.
Oh, what is this?
Increasing Jedi would be a good thing.
Oh, beautiful little. Oh, okay. Didn't buy it. Didn't buy that watch.
Claimed on the most wanted head in the territory.
Is he gonna sell it to you again?
You fucking better. I'm gonna hold him up by his feet.
Sheriff Bartlett says we're safer than ever.
Yeah, that's right, little kid. Because I will have
Boom.
clubbed you.
That's cool. It's like a secret store.
Probably stole it. Speaking of stores, can we actually go in these stores? General store.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's go in here. What you got, man? What you got for me? I'll walk up to you real slow.
I sell the finest goods this side of the Mississippi. On that there is no doubt.
And I'll be the judge of that.
He looked like he was deep in thought.
Very deep in thought. Just more
Much
unlocks.
extra multiplayer levels and stuff.
Okay. Alright. Let's go back in the street. Walk a little faster, Red. Come on, man.
It's in slow motion in there.
So much dust. I would have freaked out back in the West. So much dust flying around.
How old are you? You're in your 30s?
30.
You'd be dead already.
I would be the elder. I would be the wise elder. Let's see. Don't want to go to the sheriff yet because he's going to make us go. Clothing? Ooh, Taylor.
What do you get in here?
Get in here. Fancy new hat.
Hopefully not just multiplayer levels, because
Fancy new
some
hat.
kind of
Probably
cool
characters.
Not armor,
to
but
my
you know.
shop, mister. How may I be
Oh,
of
that
service?
makes sense. For the multiplayer.
Yeah, yeah.
Journal page,
Character.
showdown character, yeah. I mean, that's cool and all, but for our playthrough, we're just gonna...
Someday, maybe for like some kind of a versus or something would be interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you let us know, ladies and gentlemen? Leave a little comment below. Let me know. You go to the bank? No. No. Not over here. Closed due to the death of family. Go over here. Ooh, the saloon. Take a peek.
Why, you're making me thirsty just looking at you. What'll it be?
Is that because Red's a tall glass of water? Huh? Tall drink of water?
Oh! Strong drink, look at that. Buy that.
Red Dead IMAX, that's always good.
Red Dead IMAX. That'll go right next to the restaurant when they build the restaurant. Red Dead IMAX. Oh boy.
Ah, the bounty hunter. The whole town is talking about your exploits. You've even managed to attract the attention of the governor.
That man is fancy.
He was fancy.
Fancy pantsy. Just wanna fancy. Alright. Is there no, like, gun shop in town? It's gotta be a thing, right? We're in the West. Okay, one last stroll around the town, then we'll get to business. What we got here? Out of business. That's not a good sign. Oh, guns. Guns.
Claimed on the most wanted.
Oh,
It's dark in here.
very dark.
Don't
like
suppose
a
I could
Legend of
interest you in a
Zelda
little
shop.
more firepower.
It does remind me of that.
Might come in handy, things being
Come in here
as
for
they are.
some bombs around or shoot some targets. Get some rupus.
Rupus?
Rupus.
Get some rupus?
Okay, 12 gauge, that's cool. Revolvers are sold. Oh, upgrade. Upgrades. What else I got?
What is that? Oh, it's journal page.
Journal page, journal page, journal page.
You got enough to upgrade. What's your favorite gun? Just upgrade something.
Well, the thing I'm looking at is that 12 gauge.
Oh, you want to buy that?
Yeah.
Do it.
Buying it, and I'll upgrade what I can. What we got here? That's an upgrade. That's an upgrade. That's good for now.
Do you have both those?
I do. See, okay.
I guess you would have to have them upgrade.
Alright.
Let's go to the sheriff.
Let's do this. Let's go see what old sheriff's got to say. Alright.
You're one hell of a bounty hunter, mister. You'd make me one fine deputy.
I just want my money.
Yeah.
From what I hear, the wagon hasn't arrived with the bank's gold. You'll have to take that up with Mr. Peabody, the bank manager.
Alright.
So he just wants to get paid.
Well, yeah. Wouldn't you?
He sounds like Boba Fett.
Dude, we need to get a hold of some kind of a game.
Well, original
game
Boba
person. Boba Fett is red. So the bank was over here, wasn't it?
It says bank in big letters.
Does it?
So wherever that is.
Does it? Does it say bank in big
Big,
letters?
huge letters.
I think it was on the back side over here. For such a small town, it is so easy to get lost. Watch, it's right next door to the...
Wait, no, go back.
Oh, there's the theater.
Go right.
Right?
I thought it was outside.
Brimstone.
Like on the outside of it.
Barbershop. There's a bank.
Okay.
Now it's open.
Continue to next chapter.
Here we go.
Hello. Can't say I've seen you before.
I just need one more week. I can pay you the $5,000 that I owe, but the governor is bribing my ranch hands to leave, and I cannot do it by myself.
Oh, that's right.
Why not just sell up to the governor? You could always move into town.
She's a lot
and
like
work in the saloon.
the one in
Saloon! How dare
the
you!
second one.
Dr. Quinn, Medicine Woman?
Just need one more week.
Oh, okay.
I don't think the owner of the bank would approve.
Look at that hat.
May I speak with
That's a
you?
nice hat.
It's a nice hat.
But the governor is too busy for the likes of you.
Look at that bun
To hell with that
on her
evil
head.
bitch. He's mine enough gold
But
on
she
his
reminds
head.
me of the
He want my damn ranch.
lady in the second one.
Ma'am.
Oh, it's been a long time since I played the second one.
I'm
You play
sorry,
that
sir.
before they make a new
How
one?
may I be of assistance?
So what's Red
I
got to
want
do?
my
He
money.
uses money.
Yeah, but he's gonna make him do a mission for it.
This is where
We
Red
have a
shoots him.
small problem.
Then tell me about the Golden Bear Mountain that young lady was talking about.
Ooh.
I'm sorry, I can't disclose anything about our clients.
Then tell me where she lives. And when I get back,
He has an invisible
better
collar.
have my gold.
This was still back when it was impressive when you had independent finger movement.
Right. Alright. Save it. Saving it. There it is. Red Dead. Annie
Oh, cool.
Stokes.
Do you get to play as her now?
Probably.
Awesome.
I love that rifle. I used to have a lever action rifle. It's really nice.
Oh, really? That's cool. I had a
Beautiful.
toy. I still have it.
Nice.
Never actually shot a real one.
You should go sometime. It's fun.
It'd be cool. Dang, this looks
Sorry,
good.
honey, but the governor made us a better offer. Good luck, Sam.
Yes.
God, not you too, Sam.
Yes, Sam.
Oh, Sam.
Damn it, Sam. Sam it. Dirk and Gilbert.
And he's hot.
Tell me you're a bad guy, because I'm shooting you.
Just shoot anybody who shows up on your property. It's not their property.
Get on the horse. Where's Gilbert? Come on, Gilbert. Go get yourself a bullet. Where the fuck are you? She has a
They're
knife.
burning the barn.
Yeah, but where'd he go? Gilbert was back here.
He's somewhere in there.
Oh. Gilbert. Is that Gilbert? Gilbert? Gilbert.
Where the hell is he?
I don't know. He disappeared. He's got to be in the barn.
Try it. Maybe he's in there.
Oh, I just got shot at. There he is.
He's riding around.
Oh, okay. You and your glitch horse. Go down.
I ain't gonna let you roll.
You were corralling him, right? You were shooting left and right around him.
Yeah, it was a tactic. I was trying to get him to line up.
It's good.
The perfect shot. Oh,
There's
there's
somebody
a bunch
in
of
here.
people in here. A bunch. There's one.
Yep. There's one dead one.
There's a bunch of. Oh, there's
Free the
more.
livestock from the burning barn.
When you shoot her rifle, this controller vibrates like crazy. You're done, dude. I wonder where her like red dead is.
That handle looks too hot to touch.
Shoot.
Oh shit!
Damn.
It was too hot to touch. Why didn't I listen? Come on. Yeah, that's what I
I
want.
swear there's a roll.
That's what I want. Are you what?
That's a
You're
bad
not-
guy.
You're not a cow. Moo. He's like, moo? Maybe? Can I get out of here, please? Are you a cow?
I think
It's red.
Bad
I'm
guy.
shooting it.
There's ammo in there.
It's okay. I don't need it. I need to get my cow out of here. There we go. That's a bull. That's a bull. Okay.
Oh boy.
All right. That
Wow.
was very dramatic.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Okay. That's a bull. Is there a cow in here? No.
It just said cattle or livestock.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got something for you.
Come out and play.
Cutie pies.
Wish I could jump on that bull. Rat it.
Seems like you can't, right? Like that would be no. That's it's a different game I'm thinking of. Oh, she zooms
I
in.
zoomed. I
Really
zoomed way
good.
too much. Okay.
What the heck?
That's her red dead
That was
thing.
awesome.
Reload, lady, reload. Yeah.
Don't shoot the cows.
Hey man, I gotta get cover. Can I get cover?
Well, near an animal will ride it.
Oh,
You can.
shit!
I was thinking that.
Shit! Give me that bull. I can't. I need that health.
There was a vague memory.
I need that health.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna run through. Where is he? He's in here somewhere. Oh shit!
Ah, that's a bunch of bull.
I'm gonna fight to stay on. There we go. I got him. Didn't I? He's dead, right?
I think so.
There's health back here. Should I wait? Should
No,
I
I'll
run
pick
that
it
health?
up.
Okay.
It won't. Huh?
Should I get off the bull?
No. Absolutely not.
Oh shit! I can throw knives. That's cool. Not necessarily good for this range.
Well, I guess they're not coming in. I was thinking you'd run them over. Can you get out? Oh, yeah, you can get out there. Go run your asses over.
Oh, I can't go across the water. Can't go across the water.
They're over here now.
Where are you? Where are you? Yeah. No.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Thanks, dude.
okay. That works.
Thanks, man. I'm trying to line a couple up with him with that Red Dead stuff, but it didn't work. Get out of town. Get out of town. Oh. They move so quick. Oh, the bull's just fucking things up out there. Hopefully he's not mad at me. Okay.
You should be able to ride him still.
Bullets. Right over... right over... There you are. Oh, wrong button.
There you go. You can use cover, too. He's dead.
Is he? I need some more health. Is there health in the outhouse? Come on.
Could take a big healthy dump and see what
Okay,
happens.
got him. There's 2 more out there, isn't there? There's 1 more out there.
For the love of God, use cover.
Yeah. Okay, I'm using cover. So many dudes. Wow. Wow. Whew. It was tough. Tough, tough, tough. Alright. Here we go.
Hey!
Yes, yes.
It is.
Does she have any other weapons on her? Just a knife.
There you go.
Takes a couple.
What the?
Alright, guys.
Where are you going, boys?
Hey, guess what?
What the heck are they doing?
No clue.
Go rally, get them bulls pissed off. Maybe they'll. Is he trying to ride one or hump it? What's
Probably
he's trying to
steal
shoot it?
He's trying to steal
He's
it.
shooting it.
Is he?
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here, dude. These are my Bulls. From Chicago. The Chicago Bulls. You get it. You get the joke.
Like the basketball players. Okay, there you go.
There we go.
little melee action.
There we go.
Cover.
Who needs cover when you got a bull? What do you call a sleepy bull?
What's that?
A bulldozer.
Wow. There you go. Try that again.
There we go. Yeah.
There you go. Try that again. Can't go across the water now.
Bulls cannot swim.
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun.
Is he dead?
Dun, dun.
I think you got
Yeah,
him.
he's dead.
One more guy out here.
Oh,
Oh no, there's
damn.
like 4 guys out here now.
Damn, go get him, bull. I made you mad.
We'll get another bowl.
Good point. Oh, boy. There's gotta be one back here. Yep.
Come on, Ferdinand. Let's get riding together. That bull's ripping him up.
Good. Dude. I'm out of ammo.
What are you doing?
I'm out
Just
of
run
ammo.
him over.
I'm out of ammo. I swear I'm hitting him. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. What, that guy was like skating out here. Like Gumby.
Nice.
Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Are you really, dude? Fuck yourself.
Nice.
When did they stop?
There's another one.
When did they stop? Stop
Oh,
it!
God.
Stop it! Get him, bull.
Cover. The other side.
Dude, not cool, man.
Damn, that took a lot of shots.
Die! Okay.
Are you gonna have a boss out here or just more guys?
Who knows?
Is there somebody back at the barn?
I don't think so.
Oh, something's happening. Music changed.
Alright.
What?
Wild buffaloes.
I think you might want to get on your own bowl.
Oh, crap.
That's kind of freaky.
Oh, crap. Come on, bull.
Keep
Okay.
moving and shooting.
I wonder if I can take out his buffalo.
Nice. Doing good. Don't forget about your super.
I don't know if I can do it on horseback. Bullback.
Try it.
True. Nope.
You're doing pretty good though. Just keep doing what you're doing. Got full life again somehow.
Oh, that's good.
I don't know how. Buff's almost dead.
Oh. Get him. Okay. Buff is toast. Can I get on this buffalo?
I'll just keep riding.
Oh, that buffalo's so cool though. Okay. Where's your friend? There he is.
What's he doing?
Farting? I don't know.
They're not doing much. I
No.
don't want to jinx it though.
Just pulls out a chain gun.
So this lazy Western music just.
It's almost
relaxing.
romantic.
It is.
To me, it's very romantic. It's
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you holding my hand right now?
hey, don't just let it go.
Just let it go.
What happened? Whoa, come on, Bull. What'd I do to you? What'd I do, bro? Brother Bull? Please do not come after me until I have a bull. Hey, Bull.
They're not doing anything.
No. Whoa!
Oh! He's trying to get your cow.
You can't have them. Those are my stakes.
Holstein.
Ow. Takes a bullet in the face. Ow! Couple more, dude.
Nice shot.
Okay.
Oh, he's got a big old nose ring and everything.
That would have been great if those bulls just took a crap on him right when he landed between them.
Ma'am?
Do I know you, stranger?
Tell me about the gold mine in Bear Mountain.
I know nothing about a gold mine. You might want to take a trip on down to the saloon in Brimstone. It's always littered with a bunch of drunks
Fuck, I
yapping
just came
about
from
it.
there.
Just
But
fucking
watch
with
yourself,
this.
mister. You want no business with the folks in that town.
I've already done
This
business
place
with
is
folks
all
with
I've
that
ever
town.
known.
Ma'am?
5,000 pieces in gold. This'll help me keep my ranch.
Huh.
What a good guy.
Red's a good guy.
What a good guy. Well, we did it.
You did it. Yeah, you actually pulled it out there at the end. I didn't think you were
I
going
was hoping I was just hoping it was going to have to be a two-parter on that boss. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching another episode of Red Dead with Abe and Jason, Lords of Leisure, in the house. Raise the roof.
Later.
Later.